How to use a Cricut machine, Beginner's Guide. Set up the machine. Step 1. Insert the power cord to the back of the machine and the other end to the outlet. Step 2. Next, insert the USB cord to the machine and the other end to the computer. Step 3. Open up the machine and turn it on. Install Cricut Design Space. Step 1. Open the web browser and visit the official Cricut Design Space website. Step 2. Click Download and wait for it to download. Step 3. Double-click on the downloaded file and it'll start installing. Step 4. In the Cricut Design Space window, click on Product Setup. Step 5. Then select your product type to continue. Step 6. Next, select the Smart Cutting Machine. Step 7. Go ahead and create a Cricut ID if you don't have one. Step 8. Check the I agree to Cricut Terms of Use and Privacy Policy and click Create a Cricut ID. Step 9. If you get an updated policy prompt, go ahead and click Accept to proceed. Step 10. Go ahead and set up the machine following the on-screen instructions. Step 11. Once the setup is complete, perform a test cut. Create and cut project. Step 1. In Cricut Design Space, click on New Project on the top right side of the screen or click New Project under My Projects. Step 2. To create a design to use, you can go to Images and choose one. Step 3. Go to Templates and select a design that matches your project to get a better picture. Step 4. Click on the text icon and type out any text to use for your project. Step 5. Go to Projects and choose a ready-to-make project to use. Step 6. Or you can upload a design to use for your project. Step 7. Once you have the design ready, click Make It. Step 8. Check how the design looks on the mat and click Continue. Step 9. Select your Cricut device from the Connect Machine drop-down menu. Step 10. Now place the material on the mat and cut off the excess material if required. Step 11. If you are using Cricut Explore, set the material type from the dial. Step 12. Load in the mat by pressing the up-down button and press the flashing C button to start cutting. Step 13. Once it's done cutting, unload the mat by pressing the up-down arrow button. Step 14. Flip the mat over and peel off the material, then weed out the design using a weeding tool. Step 15. Grab a piece of transfer tape, peel off the backing sheet and then place the transfer tape on top of the design. Step 16. Scrape it down using a scraper tool to ensure that the design adheres well. Step 17. Grab the decal, peel off the backing sheet and then carefully place the design onto the mug. Step 18. Smooth it down using a scraper tool to ensure that the design sticks to the surface. Step 19. Peel off the transfer tape and the project is ready. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.